Where am I?
I've seen you woken up. Welcome to my game.
What the fuck? Who are you? Who are you?
Hey, Jigsaw. I want to play a game. Your challenge. Watching this video for 5 times in a row.
It's me.
Any Spike Lee film of your choosing.
Please, I don't want to do that. Please, please don't make me. Please. Who are you? Please.
To go over every night. They say that time's supposed to heal, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, master, can you hear?